Today, the web is a definitive world north of. A mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, on the off chance that the information source isn't certifiable or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a fiasco. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. On account of the appearance of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be outfit to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, consolidating the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz's special stage furnishes clients with the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the most exorbitant cost acceleration to $0. However, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that occurred in 2020 is connected to the declaration made by the Chiliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. In any case, the exhibition of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 5 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected huge development, denoting another unsurpassed high at the 89 cents mark. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the token confronted a slight remedy, yet later it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHZ cost denoted an enormous convention and contacted 75 cents in April. However, later, it rectified to the 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark. However, later, it confronted a sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it denoted a huge recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged or reached somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 9 cents with a negative tension. In any case, subsequent to hitting 10 cents the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and presently, it exchanges around 11 cents. We demand you do your own examination recommending projected greatest cost, hypothesized cost changes. Defeating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is set to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant game's financial backer local area from the business sectors outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent insight about computerized coins. At the hour of composing this specialized examination and Chiliz crypto cost forecast, the cost of the CHZ token was 11 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ as $33,003,656 and the market cap of Chiliz was $797,893,114 with a circling supply of 6,718,673,450 CHZ. Chiliz value expectation 2023 as of late. Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As indicated by our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 11 cents. What's more, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz crypto value expectation 2024 CHZ expectation for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents. Separately, the most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in light of our Chiliz crypto cost expectation. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026 violating all limits north of 2026 would without a doubt give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz expectation, upheld by strong shrewd agreements, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents individually. Chiliz expectation 2027 the street ahead is brimming with pedals according to the CHZ cost figure. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling point of the greatest cost of 62 cents. In examination, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents. Separately, CHZ value forecast 2028 out of 2028. the CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation demonstrates that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz Gauge 2029 thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may effortlessly cross a greatest cost of 82 cents, as indicated by our CHZ coin cost expectation 2029. Chiliz value expectation 2030 in view of our CHZ cost forecast 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a likely low of 73 cents and a possible high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost vacillations in the crypto market are not supposed to be exceptionally unpredictable or have high gamble. Chiliz cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023. According to cost expectation discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 19 cents with the typical conjecture cost of 17 cents. CHZ's cost will take off since there is still confidence that the money will draw in substantially more consideration. The year 2023 can end with a typical cost of 17 cents and a base value worth of 16 cents. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around 19 cents. According to the Chiliz figure information investigation, the cost of CHZ is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over 2024, Chiliz is supposed to have a base cost of 25 cents. Moreover, the CHZ cost is fit for getting a greatest degree of 31 cents. By 2025, the cost of Chiliz will be stretched around 12 cents, greatest cost 12 cents. Least cost 9 cents. The normal for the year will be around 11 cents. Chiliz cost figure toward the finish of 2025 will be around 10 cents. It is a swarm control motor, equipped for giving fans casting a ballot rights for any widespread game. Esports fans can decide in favor of their number one groups in the esports world. The blockchain-based connections through the Chiliz token have worked with gaming fans overall to project their help for their number one games groups by buying fan tokens by means of a digital currency trade. It advances ordinary fan commitment encounters by engaging them to become forces to be reckoned with of any cutthroat element. Chiliz, the restrictive attributes throughout the long term. Researchers and mathematicians cast their spells on blockchain in different industry portions. In any case, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to say that main Chiliz has been the sole daring organization to have exchanged the games world. Not just has the Chiliz network connected the blockchain fundamentals to the gaming scene. However, it likewise has guaranteed that overall financial backers are safeguarded for their interests in esports via its token, CHZ. Of course, this goes close by their investment from any alcove and corner of the world. This special element has additionally upgraded the decentralization highlights presented by the Chiliz blockchain. One more administering factor in Chiliz coin organization is the POA highlight, force of power. This agreement is represented by the Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure calculation, making it a safe organization, not at all like the verification of stake and evidence of work